Hello, folks. Now, if you want to elevate your marketing game and empower your audience, look no further than the Inner Champion, Claim Your Confidence, Own Your Life. Now, this incredible package offers 100 movie-style videos designed to help individuals build confidence and self-esteem. With private label rights included, you can effortlessly rebrand and launch these expertly crafted videos. Imagine having a treasure trove of high-definition content at your fingertips, ready to engage and inspire your audience. Now, this is not just a product, it's a game changer for anyone in the personal development space. Now, before we go any further, your free bonus includes the Inner Champion. You will receive the Confidence Boosting Workbook in a special free bonus. Now, this workbook is designed to help you and your audience effectively implement the video series strategies. It's a fantastic addition that will enhance the value of your purchase and provide even more tools for personal growth. So don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Now, the vendor behind the Inner Champion is known for delivering high-quality digital products that resonate with audience. The brand name is Profit Experts. With a strong track record in the personal development niche, they have established themselves as a credible and trustworthy source. I know because I purchased many of their programs. Their commitment to providing valuable content ensures that you're investing in a product that will deliver results. So why should you buy this product? Well, the need for confidence and self-esteem has never been greater, and the Inner Champion provides a practical solution to a widespread issue. Now, with these 100 done-for-you videos, you can offer your audience valuable content that addresses their struggles with self-doubt and low self-esteem. This is your chance to position yourself as a trusted source of personal development solutions while generating traffic and sales like never before. So don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your marketing strategy and help others unlock their full potential. Now, there are some pros and cons to this product. The positives relate to expertly crafted content, with 100 high-definition videos packed with actionable strategies for building confidence and self-esteem. You get private label rights, so you can rebrand and sell the content as your own, giving you the flexibility to create a unique offering. And there's no hard work required, so you can eliminate the stress of content creation with done-for-you videos that are all ready to launch. And you can engage and be impactful. The movie-style format captures attention and keeps your audience engaged. And not only that, there's comprehensive coverage. So topics range from overcoming fear to effective communication, ensuring a well-rounded approach to personal development. Now, there are a couple of negatives, one of them being the initial investment. So while the upfront cost may seem significant, the potential return on investment is enormous when you consider the value of the content and the traffic it can generate. And there may be a learning curve for rebranding. So some users may find rebranding a bit challenging, but this is a great opportunity to learn and enhance your marketing skills. The sales funnel looks like this. There's a front end, which goes anywhere from $17.25 to $24.99, depending on when you jump in. And there are 3 upsells. There's an upsell number 1 for $49, and there's a downsell for $19. And there's another upsell for $17, and another upsell for $97 with a downsell of $37. And the 4th upsell goes from anywhere from $97 to $297, and that's a membership fee. So watch the downsells You'll save some money, but you might get less product. So in conclusion, the Inner Champion, Claim Your Confidence, Own Your Own Life, is an exceptional product that provides valuable content and empowers you to make a real difference in the lives of others. So take action now to elevate your marketing efforts and inspire your audience. Grab your copy now in the link below. And if you want to know more, click that link below and get the full story. And before I go, remember your free bonus, so that when you purchase the Inner Champion through this link, you will receive the Confidence Boosting Workbook as a special free bonus. So don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Click that link below. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.